Welcome to our fair and tea talk conversation. Nice to meet you again
Yeah.
after 2 or 3 years.
Yeah, 2 years. Yeah, after before pandemic.
Yes,
Yeah.
we have been or we had already experienced the pandemic conditions.
Yes.
As a sector representative, you have to know what kind of effect on your business or in general logistics sector, pandemic effect. Can you say something?
Yes, of course. Regarding pandemic, we have faced a lot of workforce problem, because a lot of company they have started to work from their home, and there were problem with the integrations with the system and all those stuff. Thanks God that we have finalized these issues in advance, that we have set up everything connected together. Even all of our team had started work from home. We do not have any problem because they are connected to the system directly. We have integrated GPS system, RORA train integration, the transit documents integration, the customer information notification integrations. We have all kind of notifications. Those are the other side. We have physical effect from COVID on the borders, on the terminals, on the ports. We have faced a lot of problems. Even some strikes are becoming as per this green pass and all this stuff. But at the end, we are facing in Europe totally, they are facing a lot of driver absence. Almost 60 to 70% of drivers are working, but they are lack for 30%. Almost in whole Europe, there are 120,000 drivers are missing. It's starting from UK to Central Europe to Mediterranean. It doesn't matter. Everybody needs drivers. For that reason, this is big
But
problem.
there are so many pilots unemployed.
Yeah, unemployed as well. It's same like truck drivers. But at the end, we have finalized the biggest COVID problems because everybody get used to live with it. At the end, everybody has find a way to make their transportations, make their marketings, make their sellings, because we are not able to get face-to-face selling activities, for example. What we are doing through Zoom, through Teams, everybody is doing video conferences. Even we are not able to go and say hi and make some hot content,
Yes,
together.
you should be more experienced in speaking on video environments.
Yes,
like
of
this.
course, all the time,
Yes.
like this.
You are so comfortable because you are always in front of the screen.
Yeah, in front of the screen all the time, explain something, express your company, express your scores, goals, what you would like to do.
Yes, everybody is already like a TV presenter.
Yes.
Okay, as I see, you have a new role in SARP Logistic Group.
Yeah.
Can you say something about your new role or your company?
Yes, I
PACE?
was former operational director of SARP Intermodal, and this is our based company as well. But PACE Logistics, the name is, speed, the tempo. For that reason, we have focused for first overland transportation with a certain time of transit time. Also, multimodal transportation. What we are doing, we are using RoRo ports. After RoRo ports, we go ahead directly with the road transportation, and we are trying to get some benefit of border crossing problems, because not just Turkish borders, also we are facing problem in Europe side as well. For that reason, what we are doing with the multimodal transportation, we are able to get in the destination point within certain time of period. What we are doing as a PACE, we are doing LTL shipments. We have started with Austria, Switzerland, and Germany first. Also, we add on the Italy right now. Also, we are giving LTL partial service. We have different variety of trailers because we are trailer-based company and we don't interrupt container business. We just do with trailers. We have mega trailers, 3 meters, multi-ride trailers, 285 craneable. All units are craneable. We have coil-based trailer. We are transporting aluminum coils, for example. This is different variety of trailer. We have hanging garment trailers for textile issues. We are giving that. We have mini ones, especially for automotive and textile. There are some urgent shipments, about really urgent shipments, like 36 hours, 48 hours needs to be there, like an airplane. The same with the air freight. Even this is something...
What kind of destinations?
Mostly Central Europe. We are doing that. Yeah, especially for automotive and textile. If they have some lack of stock or something, directly with the one pallet, two pallets, it doesn't matter, below 100,000 kilos. Directly we are going ahead to Central Europe between 36 hours to 48 hours. Really good transit time.
Yes, so short time, yeah.
Yeah.
Like medical assistance.
Exactly. Like
nice.
sharp. We need the stock. Like after 2 days, you will have the stock with the custom cleared and everything. This is really competitive for air freight, because air freight is really expensive. For that reason, we have to find something comparable. Even it cannot be the same, but something comparable. But we are doing the same. We are giving really good service on that as well.
What's the purpose of FACE found such company in Sarp?
Intermodal is really green logistics.
Is it an expansion policy or is it necessity of the market needs?
Both. I can tell you the both. Yeah, necessity, of course. We have a different variety of customers in the group. I mean, we have liquid customers because we do ISO tank business. We have textile customers. We have automotive customers. We have different variety of customers. For that reason, those customers has needed, they have a lot of requests for different equipments. Normally, they have shipments fittable with a normal 45-foot container, but they have one shipment, it's exceed 285 or 290. What we are doing, we cannot tell our customers that we are not able to do that.
Yeah.
For that reason, we found a solution to establish this company to focus this market, to trailer market, to LTL market, because we have requests, we have a lot of requests, because we have really big customer database, and we would like to give the good service to that customers as well. Then we have decided to establish this company. We have really invested on it. We have around 30 trucks, around 76 trailers right now. Even we have established before, 11 months before, a really new company. But we have, of course, past experiences. We are using those experiences to this company as well. We have office in Bulgaria, in Plovdiv. Also, we are doing transit shipments through Bulgaria office. Also, they are supporting us for subcontractors as well. And we are trying to expand our business like this. We have demand. Okay, but we have also using this demand, and we are expanding our business with this. This was the policy of the company: get the demand, expand the company.
I wonder the competition atmosphere in your sector, because road transport is the most emitting emission.
Yeah.
What's your perspective from your business point and the Green Deal of European Union? There are two edge of the problem, because you have to be less emission.
Yeah. Well, all our trucks are Euro 6. We are trying to dealing with it. Also, we are using a multimodal RoRo infrastructure. We are trying to reduce it, but you cannot abandon this all the time, because your customers are asking several transit time, like express. Okay, you have to make with the 2 drivers, for example.
Yeah.
With the intermodal infrastructure, you are not able to do that, because you have some...
2-driver system is very important in delivering system.
Yes, of course. The many companies, they are not able to make their supply chain planning on time. Normally, if they can make plans with certain time of transit time, like 10 days, 11 days, 12 days, and they can use intermodal infrastructure. But when they have problem for the manufacturing, they have to manufacture new goods, and they have really small time. For that reason, they are asking express shipment. What we have to do, we have to put second driver, we have to let them go ahead within 4 to 5 days transit time if we are going to that destination. Of course, we cannot be 100% green like Intermodal, but we are trying to reduce it. But especially, I didn't forget this competition. Yes, especially
competition is the vital side of your business. Yes,
exactly. Because in our sector, there is truckers, there is forwarders, different variety of players on this sector. For that reason, it's really difficult to handle some part. But what we are doing, we have our own fleet. We don't have financial problem. We are ready to invest new equipments, new offices in all over the Europe. We have really strong system infrastructure. I really believe that, because we are connected our all GPS, all transit documents to our system, and we are able to inform our customers directly with the automated notifications. We don't use employee to do this. What we do, we change our position on the truck, the documents and automatically going to customer. The transit documents automatically settled. When we deliver the goods, POD after 3 to 5 minutes later arriving to customer. When the customer see the service, we have a bit more chance to get some business more.
What do you think about the synergy between PACE and SARP Logistic Group? And can you say something about the general environment of SARP Logistic?
Yes, of course. The SARP Intermodal has different entities, has different subsidiaries. For example, the PACE Logistics is trailer-based company and works for Europe. The Mark Multimodal, trailer-based company, they work for Russia, Belarus, Ukraine, the CIS countries. Also, we have offices in Bulgaria, in Italy, in Greece, in Germany. What we are doing, we are using all those harmony. If we have intermodal shipments, we have intermodal company almost cover the 65% of Turkish market. It's really big count. Now we are trying to become a good player on this side as well. But together, we have really good synergy. We have really big sales team, and this is really important because I'm selling as well. For that reason, if I go to one company and I express myself that, okay, what we can do, if they ask for chemical transportation, we do that. If they ask for frigo, we do that. If they ask for intermodal, we do that. This is really shows you powerful in front of the customer. This is really good synergy that we are able to catch this.
You have to respond all needs of any customer.
Exactly.
Always you have an answer.
Yes, of course. This was the point that we are expanding our capabilities like this.
Nice. Finally, maybe you want to say something specifically on intermodal system, the future of the logistics. As a young generation person, what do you say about intermodal?
In the future, of course, the lack of drivers, all those low emissions, the bulk transportation is really important. Intermodal, multimodal, because you are doing local transports. Okay, it's easy to tell your driver that pick up from somewhere in Istanbul and drop the container to somewhere in Istanbul. This is one-day business. But if you send one driver from Turkey to Germany, it takes up to 7 days, 8 days. They are abroad, they are living abroad, and they don't want to do this business. And from, it's not something coming from father to son, you know. The new generation, they don't want to do that. In the future, this counts will increase, of course. The plan is bulk transportation. We will use the vessels, we will use the trains, we will increase our
Air.
yeah, air, sea. We will increase our all infrastructure, the tracking infrastructure, the warehouse infrastructure, but we will try to make it everything in local. We will increase our offices, then we will try to step up. We will try to pace up with this problem.
Yes, maybe you want to summarize about PACE because you are general manager of the company.
Yeah.
You should be some specific targets for the future.
Yes, for future, we are asset-based company. We have our own fleet, and we would like to expand our geography. For example, we have started with Central Europe. Now we are going to increase in Mediterranean side. Also, we will go ahead for Scandinavia to UK, Ireland, one by one, step by step, because we don't want to do everything in one hand. If we settle one, okay, we will pass the second one. But we don't. We have good experience. We have really experienced employees in the company. For that reason, we speed up the process. Within small time, really, we will try to serve in whole Europe with FTL, LTL, with the different kind of equipments. We will try to serve our customers in all Europe.
Yes, we want to thanks so much joining us for us.
Pleasure to see you.
Yes, to see you again. Nice for me. What about the fair impression about your fair? Is it the first day?
Yeah, this is the first day.
But you have been many times.
Yes, many times. I was waiting this because the COVID, everybody thinking to come to fair or not, but we have a lot of meetings here. There are a lot of crowded here, and it's good that the second day I'm waiting.
Maybe
better,
more.
you know, maybe more. Maybe Friday also, because everybody is working. Also, all our operation teams are working from the office. For that reason, many customers will visit on Friday. But it's good that to be here, to meet face to face with our customers, subcontractors. We have received subcontractor from Austria, from Slovenia, from Italy. They have came just for this fair. For that reason, this is good to discuss some stuff face to face with them after almost 2 years.
Yes, thank you for joining in the fair.
Thank you so much.
Because you have 3 company
Yeah.
from SARP.
Yeah,
nice to,
exactly.
maybe we want to more.
Yes, hopefully.
We want to see more, sorry.
Yeah, we are increasing day by day. We will see. Maybe next year we will sit here and discuss
Maybe.
adding some other companies as well.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Good luck in your business,
Yeah.
new business.
Hope to see you next year again.